Namaste and welcome to Global Passport, your one-stop destination for traveling around the world. Travel enthusiasts, which Indian city is also called the City of Pearls? Any guess? Anyone? Okay, it's Hyderabad, a place where history meets technology. Nestled in the heart of India, the city is a harmonious blend of past and present. A place where royal forts and palaces stand in stark contrast to towering skyscrapers and tech parks. As we delve into its rich culture, we'll find a city that proudly upholds its traditional roots while embracing the pulse of modernity. Today, we will embark on a journey to explore the mesmerizing beauty of this city. If you like, please subscribe and comment below for more videos like this. Our first stop is none other than the iconic landmark of Hyderabad, Charminar. In the heart of the city stands the Charminar, an architectural marvel that has watched over Hyderabad for more than 400 years. Erected in 1589 by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, the Charminar is more than just a monument. It's a testament to the city's rich history, a symbol of Hyderabad's resilience, and an enduring link to its past. The Charminar, which translates to four minarets, derives its name from the four towering minarets that puncture the sky at a height of 48 meters each. Each minaret is intricately carved, showcasing the exceptional craftsmanship of the artisans of the era. The monument is a blend of Persian and Indian architectural styles, a reflection of the cultural amalgamation that Hyderabad is renowned for. But the Charminar isn't just a feast for the eyes. Around it, the city buzzes with life. A stone's throw away is the vibrant Lad Bazaar, a bustling marketplace that has been around almost as long as the Charminar itself. Here, one can haggle over a dazzling array of bangles, indulge in the aroma of fragrant spices, or marvel at the intricately woven textiles that reflect the city's rich tapestry of cultures. And then there's the street food. The areas surrounding Charminar are a paradise for food lovers. From biryanis that pack a flavorful punch to the sweet bliss of Hyderabadi Halim, the local cuisine is as much a part of the city's heritage as the Charminar itself. So, whether you're a history buff, a shopaholic, or a foodie, the Charminar has something for everyone. The monument and its surroundings are not just a sightseeing spot, but a sensory experience that captures the vibrancy, the diversity, and the spirit of Hyderabad. As we leave the Charminar behind, it's hard not to look back at the majestic monument standing tall against the city's skyline, a silent yet powerful reminder of Hyderabad's glorious past. The majesty of Charminar truly encapsulates the essence of Hyderabad's rich history. Next, we take you to the heart-shaped lake of the city, Hussain Sagar. Nestled at the convergence of twin cities Hyderabad and Secunderabad, it is more than just a lake. It's a symbol of unity, a testament to the rich history of the region, and a hub for leisure and entertainment. The lake's significance stretches back to the 16th century, a time when it served as a major source of water supply. Today, it stands as a prominent landmark, drawing in locals and tourists alike with its serene allure. The lake's piece de resistance is undoubtedly the giant monolithic statue of Buddha that stands tall in the middle. This awe-inspiring statue, made of a single piece of granite, is a sight to behold, particularly when it's illuminated in the evening. But the enchantment of Hussain Sagar doesn't end with sightseeing. The lake offers an array of boating experiences that lets you witness the city from a different perspective. Whether it's a leisurely paddleboat ride or a thrilling speedboat adventure you seek, you'll find it here. As the sun dips below the horizon, the area around Hussain Sagar comes alive. The vibrant nightlife around the lake is a melting pot of cultures. From bustling eateries serving local delicacies to live performances, there's something for everyone. Hussain Sagar, with its shimmering waters, is indeed Hyderabad's crown jewel. Our journey continues to the awe-inspiring Golconda Fort. As we step into this historic wonder, we are transported back to the 16th century, when the fort was erected by the Kakatiya dynasty. This majestic structure is a testament to the architectural prowess of the bygone era, and its walls echo stories of Hyderabad's eminent past. Golconda Fort is not just a fort, it's a sprawling city within itself. The fort's unique acoustic system is one of its most intriguing features. A handclap at a certain point below the dome at the entrance reverberates and can be heard clearly at the Bala Hisar Pavilion, the highest point almost a kilometer away. This served as a warning note to the royals in case of an attack. Fascinating, isn't it? As the sun descends, the fort transforms into an enchanting spectacle with the famous light and sound show. This show beautifully narrates the history and the legends associated with the fort, adding a magical touch to the already mesmerizing ambience. The synchronized light and sound effects make the fort come alive, and the experience is nothing short of spellbinding. And if you thought the fort's grandeur is all it has to offer, wait until you reach the top. Climbing up the fort might be a bit of a challenge, but the reward is absolutely worth it. The panoramic view of the city from the top is breathtaking. The juxtaposition of the modern skyline against the backdrop of this historic monument leaves an indelible impression on every visitor. The fort also houses several palaces, mosques, and even a royal court within its confines, each with its own tale of grandeur and glory. Every nook and corner of the fort is steeped in history, waiting for you to unearth its secrets. Golconda Fort, a testament to Hyderabad's glorious past, leaves every visitor entranced. Its grandeur, history, and the stories that it holds within its walls make it more than just a tourist spot. It's an experience, a journey into the heart of Hyderabad's rich heritage. From historic forts to modern marvels, Hyderabad is a city of contrasts. Welcome to Hi-Tech City. Here, the past and the present meet, creating a vibrant fusion of tradition and technology, a testament to the city's adaptability and ambition. Dubbed as Cyberabad, Hi-Tech City is the epicenter of information technology and innovation in India. It is the nerve center of some of the world's leading tech companies, where bright minds converge to shape the future. The skyline, adorned with gleaming glass towers and cutting-edge architecture, is a sight to behold, a symbol of Hyderabad's leap into the digital age. But Hi-Tech City isn't all work and no play. As the sun sets, it transforms into a lively hub of entertainment. The city's nightlife brims with an eclectic mix of pubs, restaurants, and clubs, each offering a unique experience. Whether you're a fan of the latest craft beers, crave the sizzle of a hot plate, or just want to dance the night away, Hi-Tech City has something for everyone. The city's modernity is elegantly balanced with its cultural heritage. Traditional Indian festivals are celebrated with as much fervor here as in the rest of Hyderabad, adding a touch of color and vibrancy to the steel and glass facade. Hi-Tech City showcases the progressive and dynamic side of Hyderabad. Our journey through the lanes of Hyderabad comes to an end. We began our adventure in the heart of the city, facing the majestic Hyderabad skyline, a harmonious blend of the past and the future. We saw how the city's architectural marvels stand tall, narrating the tale of a city moving forward while embracing its roots. From there, we stepped into the royal charm of Shamina. The monument's grandeur took us back to the time of Nizams and their lavish lifestyle. We admired its artistic brilliance, standing as a testament to the city's vibrant history and culture. Next, we found tranquility in the enchanting Hussain Sagar Lake. The serene waters and the iconic Buddha statue at its heart offered a peaceful retreat away from the bustling city life. It's a place where nature and man coexist in harmony, symbolizing Hyderabad's diverse and inclusive spirit. Our journey then led us to the majestic Golconda Fort. A walk through its ruins was like flipping through the pages of a history book. We were taken aback by its strategic architecture and the stories of its past that echoed through the stone walls. Finally, we ventured into the modern marvel of Hi-Tech City. Its towering skyscrapers and bustling streets gave us a glimpse into the city's progressive spirit. Yet, amidst the fast-paced life, we found spots of cultural richness, reminding us that Hyderabad is a city that beautifully balances tradition and modernity. Our exploration of Hyderabad has been a journey through time, from the era of the Nizams to the contemporary age of technology. It's a city that offers something for everyone: history buffs, nature lovers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Hyderabad, with its vibrant culture and rich heritage, promises an unforgettable journey for every traveler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite part of Hyderabad. Until next time, keep exploring.